Hi, my name is Martin from GHM Academy, and I'm going to talk to you about GHM Classroom. GHM Classroom is a great way to use to share the lessons that we have on our GHM bookstore with your students. So let's take a look at what it looks like. So what's important to understand in GHM Classroom is that it's actually free. You can create up to 10 classrooms, and each classroom can contain up to 40 students. Now, where do you find GHM Classroom on your free version or paid version is in the menu. So you go into your menu, and then from there, you will find the classrooms. Now, if you had no classrooms, this would be empty, and you would just basically press on new classroom, create a new one, and add it. Now, since I have classrooms, I just want to show you quickly what it looks like when you have a classroom. Once you've created your classroom, you will have the name, and also you will have a code. This code permits students to sign up to your classroom. The students just need to sign up as students with a classroom code from the GHMacademy.com website, and then from there, they will link up to your classroom automatically. And I'll show you what it looks like. These are users that are in my classroom. Now, this could go up to 40 users very easily. It's important to also understand that this is where you select the lessons that you want to share with them. So let's say I'm looking for something in grade 6. There are 2 lessons because I'm using a free version. I basically select it, save it, and that lesson is added. You can add as many lessons as you want to a classroom, but you also have to do it to each classroom individually to add the lessons that you want to add to them. Now we press on user, you find your users, and you also find the quizzes that the users have accomplished. So this is how GHM Classroom works. It's simple, it's easy, it permits you to share and track your students. Hopefully this is a useful and helpful quick tour. For more information, I have a full video about how to create a classroom, how to add students. It is a complete video about GHM Classroom. Take care, have a good one. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon, take care.